In today's video, we are going to show you how to check the version of Mozilla Firefox you are currently using, which is super useful if you are troubleshooting issues, updating your browser, or just making sure you are on the latest version. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Firefox, go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and I want you to hover down at the very bottom where you can see the help section, and then click the About Firefox. This will give you more information about your Firefox browser. And as you may notice, the version that I am using is 146.0.1. It's 64-bit. And this is also the opportunity if you want to know more about the licensing information, terms of use, privacy notice, and of course, you want to make sure that the Firefox is always up to date. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.